Hey there people, welcome to the first Subway Memes Christmas special video. Hope you enjoy this. Remember to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks to our top memers for providing memes. Leon Maxton, BFB Shopping, Septa Chen 2240, Pearl Transit 5655, Lemon Express, New York Trains and Buses, Lego MTA and Munipals, Septa Bus Chan, Corrupted Navigation, Train Lord the God. If you have a meme you can go onto our Discord server and submit some memes. The link is in the description. Merry Christmas everyone. This year has been a tough year. This will be the last Subway Memes video of 2020. Anyways guys, it's time for the memes. When you see presents and it is the 25th of December. Yay, I get to be Christmas train this year. Yay, I get to be Christmas tram. The MTA Santa. R179 enters service. It was time for R32 to leave. He had seen everything. For Christmas I want a dragon. Be realistic. I want rare Munipals. What color do you want your dragon? Red. Thomas saw R179 on Christmas. It was time for Thomas to leave. He had seen everything. Santa, what do you want for Christmas? Me. This bag. MTA normally. MTA during Christmas. When you're ready to reveal the R211. When Christmas is near and you don't have enough time. These lights are itchy. Nice. R32, R42, R46, R68A, R60A, R142A, R160AB, R143, Naughty, R179, CTA normally, CTA during Christmas, me who wished for 100 rare Munipals, Santa, UCR R160, panic. Next train is the Christmas Express, calm. The Christmas Express is skipping this station, panic. Why Santa no like me? It's only rainy here in England. Meanwhile in Europe, yeah it's snowing, let me out. London Underground, on Christmas Day, no service on any line. Me who wanted to go around the Circle Line 200 times. MTA, show R211 in action. Change of plans. You've seen. Get ready for. R179 comes to Sodder and ruins Christmas with devious diesel. MTH Rail King Ogwag MTA trains for Christmas. And Lionel MTA Lear MNRM7. 199 random Munipals wooden trains and other wooden trains from subway systems for Christmas. Maybe I wouldn't want to be a train anymore. It is dark in here. Munipals don't like it when it is dark. Alright peeps, that's all the memes we have today. Remember to submit your memes to our Discord so you can be mentioned in the next episode. You should know that. Thanks for helping this channel a lot this year. It has been a long year guys. Thanks for watching this episode of Subway Memes.